Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video we'll continue with exercise 4a from chapter Linear Inequations. So starting with question number 5. Solve the inequation 3 minus 2x is greater than or equal to x minus 12 given that x belongs to n, that is set of natural numbers. So n is the replacement set over here. And we have to choose the solution set ka values from n. Okay. So let us solve this inequation first. Solve karte hain. So write down the inequation. 3 minus 2x is greater than or equal to x minus 12. So we group x together and number together. So x को यहाँ पे shift कर देते हैं, number को यहाँ पे shift करते हैं. So minus 2x as it is, and this will become minus x greater than or equal to minus 12 as it is. 3 will become minus. Okay. So minus 2x minus x gives minus 3x is greater than or equal to minus 12 minus 3 will give minus 15. We will add and sign will be negative. Minus 3x is greater than or equal to minus 15. Let's change the signs. Okay. We make them positive. दोनों negative है, दोनों positive हो जाएगा. Okay. So 3x and this will become 15 and ये क्या हो जाएगा when you change the signs on both the sides. Okay. Negative positive हो जाएगा, positive negative हो जाएगा. Whatever is the sign, it will change on both the sides. So this will reverse. Inequality sign will reverse. So greater than or equal to will become less than or equal to. Okay. Now we'll shift 3 on the other side. So students, first change the sign because minus 3x hai, and if you shift minus 3 on the other side, this will change. So inequality sign change हो जाता है when you change the sign. When you shift minus 3, x becomes positive. Okay, so inequality sign changes. So to avoid any confusion, पहले sign change कर लो, positive बना दो. Okay, x को positive बना दो. On the other side, whatever is the sign, it will change accordingly. Negative होगा तो positive होगा, positive होगा तो negative हो जाएगा. So after changing the sign, then shift the number. Okay, so अगर x negative है तो पहले उसका sign change कर लो, positive कर लो, and then shift the number on the other side. Okay, so x will be less than or equal to 15 by 3. So 3 5s are. So x is less than or equal to 5. Okay. Replacement set क्या है? It is natural numbers, है ना? Natural numbers यहाँ पे लिख लेते हैं एक बार. Easy for us to understand. So it starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. So what will be the solution set? क्या हो जाएगा solution set for x? You have to choose the values from this set. Okay. So x is less than 5 or equal to 5. 5 से कम होगा या फिर 5 होगा. Maximum will be 5. So 5 and less than that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be the solution. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Equal to 5 है, that is why we have included 5 over here. Alright. Let's read the next question. Question number 6. If 25 minus 4x is less than or equal to 16, find first part the smallest value of x when x is a real number. Second part the smallest value of x when x is an integer. There are two parts of the question. We'll come to this part later. ये बाद में देखते हैं. First we'll consider the inequation. We'll solve the inequation. Okay. So let us write down the equation first. Inequation first. So 25 minus 4x is less than or equal to 16. Shifting 25 over here, negative हो जाएगा. So minus 4x is less than or equal to 16 minus 25. 16 minus 25 क्या हो जाएगा? Minus 9. Okay. So minus 4x is less than or equal to minus 9. Now we shift the number on the other side. But before shifting, First, make x positive. Okay. So x is negative, we need to change the sign first. Now if you change the sign on one side, you have to change the sign on the other side also. Simultaneous process है. दोनों जगह पे simultaneously sign change होगा. So this is negative, this will become positive. On the other side also we have negative, so again this will also become positive. अगर ये positive होता तो negative हो जाता. Okay, so we'll change the signs on both the sides. So this will become 4x, this will become 9. When you change the sign, what happens to inequality sign? That reverses. So less than or equal to becomes greater than or equal to. Okay. Now shift 4 on the other side. Okay. So 9 by 4. We are getting a fraction. Let us find out the decimal value. 9 divided by 4 is 2.25. Okay, so I'll just show you the working. 4 2s are 8, 1 बचेगा 0 decimal point. 4 2s are 8, 2 0 5. So 2.25 मिल रहा है. Okay, x is greater than or equal to 2.25. This is what we are getting on solving the inequation. Now coming to the first part of the question. The smallest value of x we have to find when x is a real number. So over here the replacement set is a real number. Okay, so replacement set, first part, replacement set is a real number. Real numbers का set. In real numbers, we include negative, positive, zero, fractions, decimals. Decimals may be recurring, non-recurring, non-terminating, roots, positive roots. Of course, we are not going to include the root of negative numbers, that is imaginary numbers. So, real numbers may all the numbers that we have learned so far, all of these are included. Okay, so whole numbers, integers, natural numbers, decimals, everything will be included in this. So 2.25 is also part of real numbers. है ना? Now what will be the solution set? For solution set, whenever you have x is a part of real numbers, the solution is a part of a real numbers, then how do you write it? कौन से format में लिखते हैं solution set? You write it in set builder form. Okay? So what will be the solution set for x? It will be x such that x belongs to R and then write down the condition greater than or equal to 2.25. Because over here you cannot write every individual value ना. 2.25 भी होगा, 2.25 1 भी होगा, 2.25 2 भी होगा, 2.25 2 6 9 भी होगा, because there are infinite values in between. Okay, so सारे values तो नहीं लिख सकते हम लोग. It is not like natural numbers, integers, whole numbers. So over here we write in set builder form. Okay, it can be 2.25 or greater than that. So infinite values है यहाँ पे, but you cannot represent every value over here. So we'll write it set builder form. Now they have asked the smallest value of x क्या होगा in this case. What will be the smallest value? X can be equal to 2.25. It can be equal to 2.25 or more than that. Okay, or greater than that. So it can be 2.26. It can be 2.27. Even the values in between 2.257. Okay. So what will be the least value over here? Smallest value ये है 2.25 is the smallest value. बाकी सारे values उससे ज़्यादा है. So the smallest value of x will be 2.25. So write down over here the smallest value of x will be 2.25. Okay. Now coming to the second part of the question. Find the smallest value of x when x is an integer. So over here the replacement set is the set of integers. So write down the second part, replacement set is I or Z. Okay. So write down as I or Z. Integers क्या होगा? It will be negative numbers, positive numbers and 0. So 0 positive numbers on the right hand side, infinite तक आएगा, and negative numbers हो गए again till infinite. Yeah. So what will be the solution set? पहले हम लोग solution set देखते हैं. Then we will see what will be the smallest value. Solution set for x क्या होगा? X can be equal to 2.25 or greater than that. Minimum value will be 2.25. So we have to find the minimum value only. But is 2.25 in this set present है क्या? No. 2.25 is not included over here. So 2 के बाद आता है 2.25. So 2 तो नहीं आएगा. Okay. It can be 2.25 or greater than that. X can be 2.25 or greater than that. So 2 will not come. What is greater than 2.25? Next value कौन सा है? Immediate value 3. So 3 आएगा. Then 4, then 5 and so on. You have to choose from the set of integers. From this replacement set you have to choose. So 3 will be the very first value. So 3, 4, 5 and so on. You have to find the smallest value from this. Smallest value 3 होगा. So write down the smallest value of x is 3. Moving on to next question, question number 7. There are 4 parts to this question. If the replacement set is the set of real numbers, solve first part. Minus 4x is greater than or equal to minus 16. So starting with the first part, let us write down the question. Inequality दिया है minus 4x is greater than or equal to minus 16 and replacement set is the set of real numbers. Okay, so real numbers के set में से choose करना है. So let us solve this first. Minus 4x is greater than or equal to minus 16. 4 को shift करना है, but before that x is negative. So let us make it positive. We are going to change the sign. When you change the sign on one side, you have to change it on the other side also. Simultaneous process. So when you change the signs on both the sides, ये क्या हो जाएगा? It will reverse. So 4x is less than or equal to 16 हो जाएगा. Okay. So x will be less than or equal to 16 by 4. That is x is less than or equal to 4. Okay. This is the answer. X can be 4 or less than 4. Alright. So solution set. Before that we'll write down the replacement set. So replacement set is R. That is real numbers. And solution set. How do you write the solution set for the set of real numbers? In set builder form. Okay, so we have already discussed this in introduction video. Students, if you don't know how to write in set builder form, please refer to the link in description. Okay, introduction video mein I have explained how will you write down the solution set for different conditions. Real numbers के लिए क्या होगा, whole numbers, natural numbers, integers and everything. Okay, so please refer to that. So set builder form में x such that x belongs to R and condition 1. What is the condition? X is less than or equal to 4. So this is the solution set. Done. Okay. Now moving on to the next part of the question. Second part. 8 minus 3x is less than or equal to 20. So shifting it over here. Minus 3x is less than or equal to 20 minus 8 हो जाएगा. So minus 3x is less than or equal to 20 minus 8 is 12. Okay. 3 को shift करना है, but before that x is negative. So let's change the sign. Minus 3x will become plus 3x. Plus 12 will become minus 12. ये क्या हो जाएगा? Reverse. Okay. So now shift 3 on the other side. Minus 12 by 3. So x is greater than or equal to 3 4s are 12 and negative. So x is greater than or equal to minus 4. Write down the replacement set and after that we'll write down the solution set. So replacement set क्या है? Real numbers. So for real numbers, solution set will be in set builder form. Okay? So solution set हम लोग set builder form में लिखेंगे. That is x such that x belongs to R and the condition x is greater than or equal to minus 4. Very easy. Okay? Third part, 5 plus x by 4 is greater than x by 5 plus 9. So x we group together and number together. So इसको shift करते हैं in LHS and 5 in the RHS. So x by 4 as it is minus x by 5 हो जाएगा. Your shifting so sign will change. Is greater than 9 as it is and minus 5. You will take LCM over here. Okay. So other method is the crisscross method. Okay. That is 5 into x. Put the sign in between 4 into x and then multiply the denominators. So denominator into opposite numerator. Denominator into opposite numerator. Put the sign in between जो भी है minus plus and then multiply the denominators. So that is like taking LCM only. 5x. Put the sign in between 4x. Upon 4 into 5. So 20 is greater than 9 minus 5 is 4. So 5x minus 4x, 1x, that is x हो जाएगा. X upon 20 is greater than 4. So x is greater than 4 into 20, that is 80. है ना? So we got the condition. Now we'll write down the replacement set first and then we'll write down the solution set. So replacement set is the set of real numbers. So solution set we'll write in set builder form. है ना? Very easy again. You just have to write down x such that x belongs to R and the condition part x is greater than 80. Sorry. Curly brackets होगा. So don't make this mistake. Okay. Now moving on to the last part of the question. Last part, x plus 3 by 8 is less than x minus 3 by 5. Here we cross multiply. Okay. So 5 को यहाँ पे shift कर देते हैं. It will be 5 into x plus 3 and 8 will shift over here. So 8 into x minus 3. Before that, put brackets. Okay. So 5 into x plus 3 is less than 8 into x minus 3. Okay. Open the brackets now. 5x plus 5 3s are 15 is less than 8x minus 8 3s are 24. X we'll group together, so we'll shift this over here and 15 and 24 together, so 15 को यहाँ पे shift करते हैं. So 5x as it is minus 8x हो जाएगा, less than minus 24 as it is, and this will become minus 15. So minus 3x is less than minus 24 minus 15. You will add and sign will be negative. So minus 39. 3 को shift करना है, but before that x is negative. So let us make it positive. We will change the sign. When you change the sign, दूसरे side पे भी change होगा, simultaneous process. So this will become plus 39. What will happen to inequality sign? Reverse. Okay. So x is greater than 39 by 3. So x is greater than 13. Okay, 3 13s are 39. So x is greater than 13. Replacement set क्या है? It is real numbers. So write down replacement set is R. So solution set for x, set builder form, x such that x belongs to R and the condition x greater than 13. So very easy. Okay. Moving on to next question, question number 8. Find the smallest value of x for which 5 minus 2x is less than 5.5 minus 5x by 3, where x is an integer. So first we'll solve the inequation, okay? Then we'll check everything else. पहले inequation को solve करते हैं. Alright. So write down the inequation. 5 minus 2x is less than 5.5 minus 5 by 3 of x. x will group together. So x को यहाँ पे shift कर देते हैं, okay? And number together. So 5 will shift over here with 5.5. Alright? So minus 2x as it is. ये shift करेंगे, so this will become positive 5 by 3 of x less than 5.5 as it is, and 5 को यहाँ पे shift करेंगे, so it will become minus 5. Here we'll take LCM. Okay, so multiply and divide by 3. So minus 2x into 3 upon 1 into 3 plus 5x by 3 is less than. We'll solve this mixed fraction first. ये mixed fraction है. So 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 11 upon 2. Okay, minus 5. Again here we need to take LCM. So minus 6x upon 3 plus 5x upon 3 is less than 11 by 2 minus 5 into 2 upon 1 into 2. So 5 minus 6x plus 5x हो जाएगा divided by 3. Common denominator ले लिया. Okay. Less than 11 by 2 minus 10 by 2. Now we'll take common denominator. So 11 minus 10 by 2 हो जाएगा. And over here 5x minus 6x gives minus x by 3. है ना? So minus x by 3 is less than 11 minus 10 is 1 upon 2. Minus x है. So first thing you'll do is change the sign. Okay, positive कर दो. X if you have negative, please make it positive first. Then shift the number. So let us make this positive. When you change the sign over here, sign will change over here as well. So ये x by 3 हो गया. This will become minus half. Signs will change. And when you change the signs, what happens to inequality sign? Reverse. Okay. So now we shift 3. X is greater than minus 3 by 2. This will go in numerator. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. So minus 3 by 2. So we are getting a fraction. Minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 क्या होता है? 1.5. So minus 1.5. Okay. So x is greater than minus 1.5. What is the replacement set? You have to choose the values from that. So replacement set क्या है? Let's see. Now we'll see replacement set क्या है. So find the smallest value of x. Smallest value find out करना है. For which x is an integer. So x is integer, that is I or z. Okay. So integers का set क्या होगा? Just write down over here first. Negative numbers, positive numbers and 0. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and so on infinite. यहाँ पे भी infinite dot 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 कर दो. Okay. We have to choose the values from this. First we'll write down the solution set. Then you will find out smallest value क्या होगा. Solution set देखो पहले. So solution set क्या होगा? X will be greater than minus 1.5. So minus 1.5 is not included. 1.5 minus 1.5 से greater value. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1 है ना. ग्रेटर वैल्यू, सो ग्रेटर के लिए हमेशा यू गो टू द राइट, फॉर लेसर वैल्यू ऑलवेज गो टू द लेफ्ट. सो ग्रेटर वैल्यू ढूंढना है. वेयर इज -1.5? इन बिटवीन, यहाँ पे इन बिटवीन -2 and -1. सो -1.5 से ग्रेटर है. सो राइट हैंड साइड -1.5 से ग्रेटर वैल्यू कौन सा होगा? -1 है ना. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So all these values will be included in the solution set. Alright. So -1.5 नहीं आएगा. Okay, even if it would be equal to, it would not come because in the set of integers is decimal there. Decimal है ही नहीं. So decimal नहीं आएगा even if you have equal to over here. Okay. So these are the values. You have to find the smallest value of x over here. Smallest कौन सा होगा? -1. So write down after this the smallest value of x is -1. So continuing with question number 9. Find the largest value of x for which 2 into x minus 1 is less than or equal to 9 minus x and x belongs to the set of whole numbers. W is whole numbers. So we'll look at the rest of the question later on. पहले in equation solve करते हैं. We'll solve this first. Okay. So let's write down the in equation first. 2 into x minus 1 is less than or equal to 9 minus x. We open the brackets. Okay. So 2x minus 2 is less than or equal to 9 minus x. X we'll group together, so we'll shift this over here and number together. So 2 को यहाँ पे shift करेंगे, signs will change. So 2x as it is minus x will become plus x, less than or equal to 9 as it is minus 2 will become plus 2. 2x plus x हो जाएगा 3x is less than or equal to 9 plus 2 is 11. So x is less than or equal to 11 by 3. So we are getting a fraction. Let's solve and find the decimal value. It will be 3.66. ऐसे हो जाएगा, है ना. Recurring आएगा, 11 है, तो dividing by 3. 3 3s are 9. 2 बचेगा, so 20. 3 6s are 18. Again 2. 6. So it will recur. Okay. So x is less than or equal to 3.6666. Let us check what is the replacement set and what will be the solution set. Okay. We have to find the largest value of x. Largest value क्या होगा? If x belongs to the set of whole numbers. Okay. So whole numbers is the replacement set over here. So write down replacement set. It is whole numbers W. And solution set क्या होगा? Let us see what will be the solution set. Whole numbers का set एक बार लिखते हैं. What is it? Starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on infinite. Okay. Now solution set के लिए condition देखेंगे पहले. X can be equal to 3.66 or less than that. 3.66 or less than that. So 3.66 comes between 3 and 4. यहाँ पे आएगा बीच में 3.66 dot 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 dot. So it can be this or less than that. So इससे less वाला value कौन सा है? 3 है ना? 3 है. So it can be 3, it can be 2, it can be 1, it can be 0. So all these values are there in the solution set. ये सारा values are there. So 0, 1, 2, 3 is the maximum value. You cannot take 3.66. Why? Because it is not there in the set. ये set में ये decimal value तो आता ही नहीं है. It is not there in the set. So you cannot take the decimal value. Decimal value से कम वाला value कौन सा है? Because it is less than or equal to this. So it will be less than 3.66, that is 3. Okay. So 3 and these values. Alright. So ये solution set हो गया. What will be the largest value of x? Look over here. Largest value 3 होगा. So the largest value of x is 3. Okay. Let's read the next question. Question number 10. Solve the inequation 12 plus 1 5 by 6 of x is less than or equal to 5 plus 3x and x belongs to the set of R, that is real numbers. We have to solve this inequation and it is told that x belongs to the set of real numbers. So last thing you have to do is find the solution set. Okay, you will solve the inequation, replacement set लिखेंगे and then write down the solution set. So let us solve the inequation first. So write down the inequation. 12 plus 1 5 by 6 mixed fraction है, okay, of x is less than or equal to 5 plus 3x. So we'll solve this first. Mixed fraction को solve करते हैं पहले. So 12 plus 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 5 gives 11. So 11 and denominator is 6. So 11 by 6 of x is less than or equal to 5 plus 3x. Now x साथ में group करते हैं and number साथ में. So we'll shift 3x over here and 12 over here. So 11 by 6 of x as it is and ये minus 3x is less than or equal to 5 and we'll shift this over here, so minus 12. Here we'll take LCM. So multiply and divide by 6. Is less than or equal to 5 minus 12 is minus 7. Okay. 11 by 6 of x minus 3 6 are 18 x upon 6 is less than or equal to minus 7. Common denominator ले सकते हैं. So 11x minus 18x is less than or equal to minus 7. So we get minus 7x upon 6 is less than or equal to minus 7. Now we have to shift the number on the other side, but before shifting, x is negative, make it positive. Okay, whenever x is negative, पहले उसको positive कर दो. So we are going to change the sign over here. When you change the sign on one side, you have to change it on the other side also. Simultaneous process है. Okay, so यहाँ पे भी sign change होगा, तो यहाँ पे भी sign change होगा. Okay, and when you change the signs on both the sides, what will happen to the inequality sign? Inequality sign reverse हो जाएगा. It is less than or equal to, it will become greater than or equal to. Okay, so minus 7x by 6 हो जाएगा 7x by 6 plus हो जाएगा and minus 7 हो जाएगा plus 7. We have reversed the signs. Okay, changed the signs. So inequality sign will also reverse. Okay. Now shift the number. So x is greater than or equal to 7 into 6 by 7. Reciprocal हो जाएगा when you shift on the other side. 6 goes in numerator, 7 goes in denominator. So 7 cancel हो जाएगा. So x is greater than or equal to 6. Okay. So this is the condition part. We got this. Now x belongs to the set of real numbers. Replacement set is real numbers. So write down replacement set is R. So how will you write down the solution set? In set builder form. Set builder form में लिखेंगे. Okay. So solution set x such that x belongs to R and the condition it is x is greater than or equal to 6. Okay, so this will be the solution set. Let's read the next question, question number 11. Given that x belongs to the set of integers, find the solution set of minus 5 less than or equal to 2x minus 3, which is less than x plus 2. We have to find the solution set. But before that we need to solve this. ये solve करना है. And there are two inequality वाला sign. Two signs are there. So how are you going to solve this? It's very easy. We'll separate them. Okay, separate कर देंगे. Two parts में divide कर देंगे. So write this entire inequality. पहले एक बार लिख लो. -5 is less than or equal to 2x minus 3, which is less than x plus 2. So we are going to separate it to two parts. First we consider this inequality. Okay, ये solve करेंगे and we'll solve this separately. Okay, so we'll solve this and this. Okay, let us see what we are getting. So -5 is less than or equal to 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 3 is less than x plus 2. Easy? Okay. So we will solve this. Let us see what we are getting. 2x as it is रखते हैं. We will shift the number instead. Okay. So let us shift this over here. 3 positive हो जाएगा. So -5 plus 3 is less than or equal to 2x. And over here, x will shift over here. Okay. X will group together and number together. So 2x as it is and यहाँ पे x will become negative is less than 2 as it is. This will become plus 3. So -5 plus 3 will be -2 is less than or equal to 2x. And over here 2x minus x हो जाएगा x is less than 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay. X positive है, so I can shift 2 over here. So let us shift. -2 by 2 is less than or equal to x and x is less than 5. Here we get -1 is less than or equal to x and x is less than 5. So we are getting x is greater than or equal to -1. I can read it as -1 is less than or equal to x or x is greater than or equal to -1. दोनों तरीके से मैं read कर सकती हूँ. So I'll combine the two now. Okay, first I separated. Now I am going to combine the two. So x you will write in between and it is greater than or equal to -1 and less than 5. I just combined the two conditions. So x is greater than or equal to -1 but less than 5. Okay. So this is what we are getting. Now coming to the set, solution set and replacement set. So what is the replacement set? It is integers. Okay, so write down replacement set is I or Z. Let us write down the set of integers once. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And negative numbers also -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Okay. Now we have to write the solution set. तो क्या होगा solution set? We have to choose the numbers from this solution set. X is greater than or equal to -1. -1 भी होगा, -1 से greater भी होगा. So -1 is included. Okay, -1, 0, 1 and so on. But less than 5. So -1 से लेके 5 तक. But will you include 5? No. Because it is less than 5. 5 is not included over here. So 5 से कम वाला value is 4. So all the values below 5. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 and -1. Because it is equal to -1 also. Okay. So it will be -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is the solution set for x. Let's read the next question, question number 12. Given that x belongs to the set of whole numbers, find the solution set of -1 less than or equal to 3 plus 4x, which is less than 23. So So we have to find the solution set and replacement set is given. It is the set of whole numbers. But first we need to solve this inequation. ये solve करना है. So this question is similar to the previous question. Again we have two inequalities वाला sign. So what are you going to do? You are going to break into two parts. Okay. So write down the entire thing first. Minus 1 is less than or equal to 3 plus 4x which is less than 23. So first we will solve this. ये वाला consider करेंगे and then this. Okay. So minus 1 is less than or equal to 3 plus 4x and 3 plus 4x is less than 23. Okay. So over here we'll shift 3 on the other side. X को as it is ही रखते हैं. Okay. Since it is positive we are not going to disturb it. ये यहाँ पे shift कर देते हैं. So minus 1 and this will become minus 3 less than or equal to 4x. And over here we'll shift the number on the other side. 4x as it is 23 minus 3 हो जाएगा. Okay. Minus 1 minus 3 will give minus 4 less than or equal to 4x. And 4x is less than 23 minus 3 is 20. So 4 I can shift on the other side. X positive है. So minus 4 upon 4 is less than or equal to x. And x is less than 20 upon 4. So this gives minus 1 is less than or equal to x and x is less than 5. We are getting two parts. So we are going to combine both the parts. Okay, अब combine करेंगे. So write the x between, in between, and it is greater than or equal to minus 1 but less than 5. दोनों conditions को combine करेंगे. X is greater than or equal to minus 1. I can read it two ways. Minus 1 is less than or equal to x or x is greater than or equal to minus 1. And over here x is less than 5. So दोनों को combine कर लिया. We got the range for x. उसका range क्या होगा? Okay. Minimum value क्या हो सकता है? It can be equal to minus 1 or greater than that. So minimum value is minus 1. And maximum value क्या होगा? It cannot be equal to 5. Okay, यहाँ पे equal to नहीं है. So it will be less than 5. Okay, less than 5. So 5 से कम होगा. Okay, and it can be equal to this. Let us see what will be the solution set. But before that, what is the replacement set? Replacement set is the set of whole numbers. So whole numbers क्या है? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we have to choose the values from this. Write down. Replacement set is W. So solution set क्या होगा? Over here, whole number starts from 0. So negative number तो आएगा ही नहीं. Okay. So we'll start from 0. Alright, x can be equal to minus 1, but minus 1 is not there only over here. यहाँ पे है ही नहीं. So minus 1 you cannot include. So 0 से start होगा. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Will 5 come? No. Because x is less than 5. It is not equal to. अगर equal to होता तो ही 5 include करते. It is not equal to. So we are not going to include 5. Okay. So 0 to 4 वाला values आएगा. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the solution set. Okay.